What's up, guys? It's me, Troy Gaming Boy, and I'm playing Subway Surfers. But there's a twist. Yeah, a twist. Very twisted, I know. I can't go backwards, only forwards. No going backwards. I can't go back at all. Yes, it's going to be very difficult. I don't know if anyone will be able to beat my record, but I'm just going to see how far I can get without going backwards. So that's the twist of this. Oh no! Ah! Oh no, the Easter bunny's coming for me. Pogo stick. Oh yeah! Woo! Oh yeah! I can just jump over trains. Ah! Got a V for vector or hov. I'm at hov now. Ooh, an egg. Egg. Whoa. I turned off the volume so you can hear my amazing voice. So I'm gonna make the music myself. Yeah, there's a reason why I'm a professional rapist. Whoa, 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 whoa. Whoa! I missed the E. I want hove. Oh, I have. Ow! The big bunny boy is coming after me. And there's a dog. Your dog. Oh, hey, oh. Oh, no, 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 no. No! Yeah, by the way, I'm getting pretty far on this. No! But anyways, I'm actually doing really good. I haven't died a single time or gone left a single time. Oh, 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 oh. You know, I'm getting like a pretty good job without going left. By the way, this is a first try. Yes! Hover! Yeah! I got the full word. Yes, I got a mystery box. Ah! Oh, lag.